Hi everyone, my name is Jess and I am a thriftaholic. Thank you for joining on Thrifting is My Beach. I wanted to give a quick update regarding ThredUP. It is currently mid-December of 2020 and a few days ago I was notified via Instagram that there were a few changes to ThredUP, and I was not directly notified from ThredUP because this is only affecting new sellers. So if you set up a new account right now, you will have this change and I cannot see it. Apparently you can no longer get payouts on some fast fashion brands. They are currently listed on ThredUP's website. I will put the link down below. However, if you go to look and you are a current seller, you will not have access to it. A lot of people are saying that it's glitchy. My tip for you is to log out of your account and go onto your computer. I tried going on the browser of my phone and it wouldn't work. It would just take me to the clean out kit area and I could not find any information. So I went on my old desktop and just went to thredup.com. I was not logged into any of my accounts, as I have two, and I actually, no, I take that back. Wow. No, I could still not access it, not even on the computer. Somebody sent me the direct link through Instagram and I could actually access it that way, which is really weird because then I tried going onto my computer, which I thought I could see it all and I couldn't. So I'm going to share with you a screen recording from my phone, A to Z, not doing A to Z. All right, I was finally able to find a link that works. So here are the most common brands that are ineligible for payouts. Now, keep in mind, this is subject to change. This is only for new accounts. So if you have a current ThredUP account, this does not include you. However, it may change in the future. So a lot of these, like, I don't think I ever really sent in any of these brands unless I was liquidating. I have sent in Cable and Gauge and it never sold. So like I said, Target, Walmart brands, Aerie. I'm trying to see if there's any brands here that I do send in, and I don't see any. So let's go. As you see, that's just the top 50. I will go through a few, but I'm not going to bore you with all of these, and there's no way you'll remember them. So I will put the link in the description below so you can go and take a look. However, if you're logged into your ThredUP account, it will not work. I have not heard of several of these brands. I'm trying to see if any of these are ones that I currently sent to ThredUP. However, I mainly just use them as a liquidation place as right now. Editions by Chico's, I think I've sent that in once and they didn't take it. It's their lowest line, but Chico's has done pretty well for me in the past. However, I will no longer send it in as their payout structures and fees changed in November of 2020, as I'm sure you are well aware. So you kind of get the gist. I'm not going to go further, but I'll put the link in the description below so you can go and take a look yourself, because like it's excessive. So you don't need to freak out a whole lot, because these brands again are from Walmart, Target, fast fashion brands like Shein, or however you want to say it. Brands that I typically did not send in before. Now, when I first started ThredUP, I sent in Maurice's a few times and the payout was only a few dollars. So I stopped doing that. But if you are sending your stuff in to make money, which it's a little bit more difficult to do that right now, then this should not affect you, because you will not be picking these brands up to send to them. But if you're cleaning out your closet, just keep in mind, if you're a new seller, you will not get paid out. They will take your item and they will sell it, but you will not get paid out for it. So again, this is not even directly from ThredUP. This is all through the grapevine on social media. It's kind of crazy. I went to ThredUP's Instagram. I went through their website. I could not find any information. And I don't know why it's so hard to access. I even tried YouTubing it. I Googled it. ThredUP no longer accepting fast fashion. Like, I could not find it online except for on Instagram from other sellers. So I will also put link down below Nikki's beauty buys. She also did a great video about it, And there is another Instagram post regarding, I'll put it all down below, because the Instagram family is amazing for reselling. Everybody helps each other out and watches each other's backs. So I want to thank you all for watching, especially if you came over from Instagram. If you don't follow me on Instagram, it is also Thrifting is my beach. I would greatly appreciate it. Also, if you are a new viewer, please hit the subscribe button. I am very close to getting my 1,000 subscribers, and it would mean so much to me, as my goal for 2021 is to become monetized in the near future. So I would greatly appreciate it. But these are all the ThredUP updates I had for you. I sent in 2 kits 3 weeks ago. It took 10 days for them to get received. However, I will also show you a screenshot. It is taking 20 weeks, is what they're stating, 20 weeks, for them to process standard kits, which is what I'm sending them, because I am not going to pay $15.99 for 3-week processing, and a lot of people are paying that, and it's still taking 5 to 6 weeks for the kits to get processed. So put down in the comments down below, were you able to see the the brands that new sellers will no longer get paid out? They are saying this is not affecting current sellers, but we all know with ThredUp's history that may not be accurate. So I would recommend no longer sending those brands in, because you could kind of get, nailed. I don't want to say the other word, but keep that in mind. So I'm in my garage and I heard a noise. But I hope you guys are all doing well and staying safe, and have a Merry Christmas and Happy Holidays. Thank you guys. Have a thriftlicious day.